investigating 4 priority use cases related to improving the safety and the security of the transport system infrastructure in, for example, the Port of Hamburg, where the project is embedded. So the first use case is air quality monitoring for ship emissions detection and ensuring compliance of shipping companies with the environmental regulations that have been brought in. We're also focusing on a use case involving ship hull inspection, in particular post collision or emergency response in the coastal zone, where we can get very early insight into the situation, detect if there's any structural damage and also any pollutants in the water. And then we're also looking at inspection and survey of the bridge network within cities and ports and harbours.